Assembling your toys.
Welcome to A Course in Miracles with the Creator of Miracles, where you can get tuned in, tapped in, turned on, and explore and find your true miracles. Open up to and learn directly with the Creator of Miracles as you are guided directly to the Creator and then taught the lessons in this course, guiding you toward ultimate inner peace, self-love, and your miracle is none other than your host, spiritually dialed in leader, the LCM lady, Leslie Gunterson.
Welcome, beautiful souls. I'm so glad you decided to join us today for A Course in Miracles, Lesson 71. Have you ever tried to assemble some toys or furniture without the instructions or the plan and maybe been completely boggled? You see, only the designer's plans to assemble something really work. Now, great if you can think like the designer and assemble things the right way. But as humans, Creator had a plan for salvation, and we have our own plan. Our ego has a plan, and our ego's plan is nothing like Creator's plan. I guarantee it. I'm sure you've already experienced the ego's plan for salvation. It centers around holding grievances to keep ourselves safe. And if some external event would change, or if my husband would change, or the kids would change, or my parents would change, then I will be saved. Everything will work in my life. Of course, we know this is naive, and it's not at all Creator's plan. So today is practice noticing the truth that ego's plan never works. That the Creator, the designer of our life, had a plan to assemble our life, and it is the only plan that assembles correctly and works. Today, of course, we're going to go and visit the Creator of all that is to experience that, to solidify and experience Creator's plan as the only plan that works for peace of mind, for inner peace. And we ask specifically, Creator, what would you have me do? Where would you have me go, Creator? What would you have me say, and to whom? Join us today as we go to the Creator of all that is. Of course, we begin with our feet flat on the floor, nothing is crossed, and we breathe in unconditional love, light energy through our feet. It tickles and it tingles up the back of our body as we breathe in. The back of our body, filling up every inch of our body with unconditional love energy, up the back, down the shoulders, into the arms and hands and fingers, up the center back of our neck, and all the way up to the top of our head, where we pause before letting go of anything we no longer need, down the front of our body in that circular breath, sending that to the core of the earth to discreate. Then a second time we breathe up unconditional love, light energy. It tickles, it tingles all the way up. It heals every cell of your body. Every cell of your body. You know, your body, if you've ever needed energy, think of your ATP sending that unconditional love, not only to every cell, but to the middle of the cells, all the way up your body, all the way up, 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 filling every inch of your body, healing every cell of your body, energizing every cell of your body all the way up. When you get to the top, you can just pause and then let go of anything that no longer serves you, down the front of your body, sending it to the core of the earth to discreate. And then breathing up a third time, unconditional love, light energy up your feet, up the back of your body, all the way up, up, up. When you get to your core area, you can open up the energy gates of your body. You can work on those systems of your body, clearing them, optimizing them, thinking of all the different parts of your body that has to work in harmony, create sustained health. And then when every square inch of your body is full, maybe it's 3 breaths, maybe it's 4 or 5, whatever you need to fill your body with unconditional love energy. When it's completely full, it'll spill out the top into a big, giant, spacious bubble of light. Notice the color as you rise up, up, up above the ceiling, up out into space, past the moon, out past the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Notice the spiral. I always love looking at the spiral of the Milky Way. up through the universe and the multiverse, through the layers of lights, dark lights, light lights, bright lights, white lights, a golden light, through a thick jelly-like substance, the laws of the universe, and out into a pink cotton candy-like energy, the law of compassion. And as you travel deeper through this energy, you'll encounter a doorway with translucent light spilling out all around the doorway, beckoning you in. And as you get closer, you're just brought into this doorway, and poof, you're surrounded by unconditional love, light energy, the highest vibration of life. One molecule of this energy is enough to create whole worlds. It's what everything in the universe is made of, the star stuff, the energy. And it's infinite here, so you can use it for your miracle and you can send it to others for their miracle. And as you spin in it and send it and play, I'm going to pray. Mother, Father, God, creator of all that is, thank you for my life. Thank you for the listener. Thank you for A Course in Miracles and the truths that are bite-sized for us to just chew on a little bit, one day at a time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Creator, that long ago you laid out a plan for your creation to assemble a happy and peaceful life. You laid out a plan, and only your plan will work, Creator. Download the truth of that in us. And if you like this download, just say heaven yes. Creator, download your truths in us. That your plan for salvation is the only one that works. Show us it's safe to give up the ego's plan of holding on to those grievances. It's safe to give up the world's plan. It's safe to embrace Creator's plan. And it's possible to give up the ego's plan, the world's plan, and embrace Creator's plan. And we can live every day in harmony with your plan, in connection with Creator of all that is. We can speak to and listen to and ask and enjoy the presence of the Creator of all that is. Help to remind us that we should be asking what you want from us and where you want us to go and what you would have us to say to whom. Remind us, Creator, that we can live daily in this type of plan of salvation from within, and that we need not be concerned about what's outside of us, and instead be thankful and happy and excited about what's inside of us, that deep connection and salvation that comes only from Creator. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Creator. It is done. It is done. It is done. Now I just invite you to take a deep breath and then send it to the floor as you ground yourself back in your body. Maybe experience that shower of unconditional love, light, energy coming down with you into your body, enlivening you, awakening you, exciting you. And as you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. Remember to spend some time today asking Creator, what would you have me do? Where would you have me go? What would you have me say? And to whom? You know, I asked Creator what He would have me do, and this is the podcast that came from that question. Though I said no to it for a long time, I will be honest. I hope you're enjoying this podcast and this time with Creator of all that is. And I know you're experiencing the miracles that Creator has for us in these downloads. And I hope you have a really amazing and wonderful day.
A Course in Miracles with the Creator of Miracles is brought to you by New Life Paradigm NLP. When two or more agree on anything, your miracle is given. If you are benefiting from listening yet want more agreement and partnership, I'm here for you. If you want to discuss your miracle or explore partnered work more deeply, head on over to newlifeparadigmnlp.com and get more support for your miracle. Again, that is New Life Paradigm NLP, spelled NEWLIFEPARADIGMNLP.com to see more options and classes available to help you create the change you want. And as always, thank you for listening. We appreciate your likes, your downloads, and your subscription.